I was challenged to make something different, protein bar, but with a twist. This, look at that. How gooey that is. Absolutely blinding. Really simple to make, no bake. Watch this. Okay, so you got your oats in a bowl, you're adding your honey. Can't be a bit of honey. Some natural yogurt. Your juice and rind of 1 whole lemon, and then we're going to be having some vanilla protein whey. Stick it all in a bowl, whisk it all together, and then we're going to be melting some white chocolate just to drizzle on top. These are no bake, the only baking involved, if you can call it baking because all it is heating, is a white chocolate, and that's for the drizzle on top. So, whack it on a bowl, job's a good one. Okay, so as you can see in there, you've got your oats, you've got your honey, and you've got your natural yogurt, 0% fat, may I add. And then all we're doing is grating or zesting a lemon. And this will just give it that nice, fresh, zingy taste. Be careful though, if you grate too much and you go past that white stuff, it gets a bit bitter. So make sure you're only just scratching the surface. Okay, next up, whacking in the whey. Making sure you get all the zest off your grater. Once your lemon's been grated, or zested, as they like to say in the business, let's get your lemon, give it a good squeeze. Zero waste for this lemon, using the skin and the juice. That's half of it gone. Squeezing in the second one. This menu gadget probably features in quite a few of my videos recently. And then what you're doing is combining it all together. And you know what? Extra naughtiness, just going to add a few extra chocolate chips. Because I can. And that is as simple as it gets. You don't call me minimal effort meals for nothing. And then all we're doing now is taking a parchment paper, lining a sheet, and we're just flattening it out. Thickness is really up to you. I'm going to see how far this one goes before deciding the thickness. Right, for the chocolate, just taking a bain-marie, so boiling water underneath, a glass bowl on top. Stick that on the cooker. If you are short on time, you can use a microwave, but I always burn mine. I'm just sticking some white chocolate chips into the bain-marie. Wait for those suckers to melt, and then drizzle it on. Right, white chocolate has melted, so what I'm doing, drizzling it over. Right, that's it, time for the fridge. As you can see, it's all drizzled over nicely. So I'm going to stick these in the fridge overnight, and then I'll be back in the morning for the grand reveal. Until then. And there we have it, lemon and white chocolate Oaty protein bars. 20 grams of protein, these bad boys. Taste insane. So different to the normal chocolatey ones. if you like this, please drop us a like and subscribe. If you want any more of my healthy recipes, home cooked recipes, have a look at his playlist. Some belters in there. Right, I'll just stick the rest of these in the fridge. Until the next one.